Hi, Namaste. This is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we'll do Yoga Kriyas, breathing exercises. Let us start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Dhyan Mudra, Mudra of knowledge. Try to sit in this posture for a minute. You are going to feel so much relaxation. Okay, now we are starting with Kapal Bhati. Kapal Bhati. Kapal means skull. Bhati means shining. So we all are going to shine together with Kapal Bhati. Let us do it. Exhale sharply, navel pulling back to the spine. First, deep inhalation. Kapal Dhoti Kriya. It allows more oxygen to get in, very good for increasing blood circulation because we are holding our breath. Let's do this, holding breath and allowing more oxygen. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, fill your mouth with air, hold the breath. Hands towards your chest. Every Kriya we have to perform for 3 times for better result. Now let's do Simple Kriya. In Simple Kriya, you are just going to increase the speed of your breath while inhalation, exhalation. Let's do it. Inhale. Exhale out completely. Inhale. Mahakriya. Interlock your hand close to your navel. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Very slowly come forward. Exhale forcefully. Very slowly go back. We'll do it one more time. Inhale. Kriya. Close your eyes and rotate. Relax and release. So these are very simple kriyas. Try to follow this every day and you are going to see amazing result. With this, follow some diet also. After 5, stop eating junk food, oily food. Always take care of yourself, stay healthy, happy, beautiful. We will come back again. Thank you.